Suppose you have taken credit on Groww, then you must be wondering what's the process of its repayment, right? We've got you covered, please don't worry. First of all, you don't have to do anything manually. All your EMIs will be deducted automatically from your bank account. But in case you want to prepay your EMI, then here's what you can do. You simply need to go to the loans section on the Groww app. Then you will be able to see all your active credit lines, their EMI amount, next EMI date, and how many EMIs have been paid already. So whichever EMI you want to prepay, tap on that and you will see a screen with all the details of that particular credit. There you will see a Pay Now button. You need to tap on that. You will see two options. First is upcoming EMI if you want to prepay the next EMI. And the second is early closure if you want to prepay the entire pending credit amount. In case you choose to prepay the upcoming EMI, your next EMI will be skipped by 1 month automatically. Now choose the relevant option and tap on the Proceed button. Then you need to select a suitable payment method and tap on Pay. Then you need to complete the payment and that's it. Wasn't that simple? Hope you found this useful. Have a nice day.